stop paying for music AI tools. This one is completely free, unlimited, and gives you full commercial rights. Plus, the sound quality is insanely clear and professional. If you have been paying for music generation, this will blow your mind. Let me show you the secret for making unlimited songs for free. So let's jump in. Let's head over to Sonoro.ai and either sign up or log in. Once you are in, it offers two option modes, simple and advanced. We will start with the simple mode first. It's super easy to use. For example, let's create an emotional pop ballad about two lovers who still feel connected. It's going to be inspired by Adele and Lewis Capaldi. You can even include their names right in the prompt. Now, let's hit generate and see the magic happen. It generated two songs that you can choose from. Let's check them out.
Still your silhouette morning breaks and the shadow in every space. Years have come like gold, leaves upon the ground. But
now, let's check the second one.
I still see a silhouette when morning breaks. In the silence, you're the shadow in every space. Years have come like autumn leaves upon the ground, but sometimes won't ever drown. Hold on, hold on.
Wow, the result is actually impressive. Alright, now let's switch things up a bit. This time, we are going to remove the artist's name and see what happens. We are not giving the AI any specific reference. We will just let it choose the vibe and style on its own. I am really curious to see what kind of creative direction it takes us.
Still I see you in the silver rain. Every street remembers your name. We're apart, but the distance fades.
Now, let's check the second one.
Still I see you in the silver rain. Every street remembers your name. We're apart, but the distance fades. You're the echo that never decays.
This is incredible. The vibe is absolutely perfect, and it even switched the voice to a female automatically. Of course, you can always specify in your prompt whether you want a female or male voice. It's totally up to you. Alright, so that was simple mode, where the AI takes full control and writes all the lyrics for you. You just give it an idea or a vibe, and it does the creative heavy lifting. Pretty cool, right? And if you are not looking for vocals, it's super easy. Just type your prompt and switch on instrumental mode to get music only. You can also play around with fancy mode. It takes a bit longer to generate, but the results are usually richer, more detailed, and totally worth the wait. This is amazing. If you are enjoying this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell, because I am constantly discovering new, free, and easy to use tools that can make your video creation journey so much easy and simple. Now let's try a different prompt with a whole new vibe and see what the AI comes up with. I love experimenting with different moods. It's amazing how each prompt can create a completely unique sound and feeling. This time, I am going to ask it to create a hard-hitting hip-hop track. Hit generate and watch the magic happen.
Bounce back every time I fall. Carry scars, but I'm standing tall. Brushed off the dirt, walked through fire. Still got dreams climbing higher.
Now, let's check the second one.
bounce back every time I fall. Carry scars, but I'm standing tall. Brushed off the dirt, walked through fire. Still got dreams climbing higher.
Wow, that's absolutely amazing. Now let's turn to the advanced mode. I will turn on the custom lyrics option and paste my own lyrics here. In the sound section, I can choose the music style. Let's go with a female voice and tags like pop rock and rock. You can keep adding more tags if you want. Let's generate it and see what comes up.
I still hear your heartbeat in the silence. Every echo pulls me back through time. The shadow dances in the I still hear your heartbeat in the silence. Every echo pulls me back through time.
Okay, let me tell you here, I was not expecting this beautiful result. This is incredibly amazing. If you want to extend your song, you can definitely do that. Edit, click Extend option. You can decide whether to add something before or after the section, or include an intro at the beginning of the song or an outro at the end. I will add mine at the start. So click Fancy Mode, paste your lyrics, and then click Generate. Now, as you can see, after it finished generating, the lyrics were added to the beginning of the song, and the total length changed from 1 minute 35 seconds to 1 minute 52. Of course, you can keep adding more sections to make your song as long as you want. Now let me show you another great feature. Click Edit, then select the Replace option. This feature lets you replace any part of the song with new lyrics. Just select the section you want to change, click Fancy Mode, paste your new lyrics, and hit Generate. Now, you will see that your new lyrics have been added to the first part of the song.
Every heartbeat whispers softly, you still live in me, even when the dark surrounds me.
Now, let's check the second one.
You breathe in me, every heartbeat whispers softly, you still live in me, even when the dark surrounds me. I try to.
This is unbelievable. The music quality is amazing. The sound is very clear, and it's honestly better than any other tool out there. If you want to download any music, just click here, then hit download and pick the file type you prefer. I usually go with MP3 because it's high quality, works on almost any device, and keeps the file size small. And that's it. You've got professional sounding music in just a few simple steps. I am here to help you with your video creation journey, and this AI tool is completely free and unlimited. There is no credit system at all. Let me know in the comments which feature you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing free AI tools. If you want to know how I made this video song, it's super easy and just a few simple steps. Watch out the upcoming video. See you there. Thanks for watching and happy creating.